Today, we're taking a deep dive into a must-have for any car owner, the car vacuum cleaner. Crumbs, pet hair, dust. Keeping your car clean can feel like a never-ending battle. But fear not, because a good car vacuum cleaner can be your secret weapon. Now, there are tons of options out there, so choosing the right one can be overwhelming. But worry not, because I've done the research for you and compiled a list of the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners in the USA for 2024. So, buckle up, gearheads, or should I say, clean freaks, because we're about to find your perfect car cleaning companion. Number 5. DEWALT 20V Max Hand Vacuum Cordless for wet or dry surfaces. Powerful cordless vacuum cleaner that can tackle both wet and dry messes. It's part of the DEWALT 20V Max system, so it can be powered by any of your existing DEWALT 20V Max batteries, sold separately. Here are some of its key features. EPA filter traps 99.97% of dust particles down to 0.3 microns, making it ideal for allergy sufferers and those who work in dusty environments. Dual cleanup modes allow for debris removal with either the front utility nozzle or extendable rubber hose. 1/2 gallon tank with a heavy-duty latch for easy emptying and cleaning. Washable filter simply rinses with water for easy cleaning. Heavy-duty rubber hose provides durability and flexibility for a variety of jobs. Large on/off switch is easy to access with one hand. Whether you're cleaning up sawdust in your workshop, spills in your car, or pet hair on your furniture, the DEWALT CV517B is a great all-purpose vacuum cleaner. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER AeroSlim Lithium-Ion Cordless Handheld Vacuum. The vacuum is a good value for the price. It's a great option for those who need a quick and easy way to clean up messes around the house or in the car. Here are some of its features. Cordless and lightweight design for easy maneuverability. Lithium-ion battery for long-lasting performance. Powerful suction for picking up dirt, debris, and pet hair. 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush for versatile cleaning. Easy to empty dirt cup. If you're looking for a compact and lightweight vacuum cleaner for quick cleanups, the BLACK+DECKER AeroSlim Lithium-Ion Cordless Handheld Vacuum is a great option. However, if you need a more powerful vacuum cleaner with more features, you may want to consider another option. Number 3. WORX WX030L 20V Power Share Cordless Cube Vac Compact Vacuum. This is, while not specifically designed for cars, could be a good option for certain cleaning tasks in your car thanks to its compact size and cordless design. Compact and lightweight, this vacuum is small and easy to maneuver, perfect for reaching tight spaces in your car like between seats, under the floor mats, or around the center console. Cordless design. No cord means you won't have to worry about tripping over it or finding an outlet while cleaning your car. Washable HEPA filter. The HEPA filter traps dust particles and allergens, which can be helpful if you have allergies. The WORX WX030L could be a handy tool for quick cleanups in your car, especially for crumbs, dust, and light dirt. However, if you're looking for a vacuum for tackling tougher messes or cleaning your entire car, you might be better off with a car vacuum specifically designed for those tasks. Number 2. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Furbuster AdvancedClean. Absolutely, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Furbuster AdvancedClean Plus Cordless Pet Handheld Vacuum HGK515JP07 is a great choice for a car vacuum cleaner. Here's why. Power boost. It has a power boost mode that provides extra suction for tough messes, like pet hair. Lightweight and maneuverable. It's lightweight and maneuverable, making it easy to use in tight spaces. XL Crevice Tool. It comes with an XL crevice tool that's perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach areas in your car, like between the seats and under the floor mats. 18V hand vacuum with crevice nozzle, utility nozzle and extension tube. An 18V hand vacuum with a crevice nozzle, utility nozzle, and extension tube is a versatile cleaning tool that can be used for a variety of tasks around the house, including cleaning your car. Here are some of the things you can use it for. Cleaning upholstery and carpets. Vacuuming crumbs and dirt from car seats and floors. Reaching tight spaces like between seats and under the dash. Cleaning up pet hair. Dusting vents and dashboards. With so many 18V hand vacuums on the market, it can be tough to decide which one is right for you. But if you consider the factors above, you should be able to narrow down your options and find a vacuum that meets your needs. So, those are my top 5 picks for the best car vacuum cleaners in the USA for 2024. Remember, the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Consider factors like, if you have any questions about these vacuums, or if you want me to do a more in-depth review of any particular model, leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.